The 2022 Enhanced Taurus cell phone holder for car passed the military-grade sturdiness test. Absolutely sturdier 20x than normal ones, the suction cup can withstand the temperature from -20 degrees centigrade, that's -4 degrees Fahrenheit, to 95 degrees centigrade, that's 203 degrees Fahrenheit. Also be reusable, you can stick it on your car dash or windshield. Also you can get a sticky pad to protect your car dash. Completely friendly, hands-free and views adjustable. It can release easily with one button, clamp fast with one hand. The car phone holder mount is suitable for all kinds of mobile phones with brand thick cases, battery cases, ring cases, and it is exceptionally sturdy to hold your phone tightly. Like iPhone SE, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, X, XS Max, XR, 8 Plus, 8, 7, 6S Plus, Samsung Galaxy S21, S20, S20 Plus, 20 Ultra, 5G, Note 20, 10 Plus, 10, 9 Plus, 9, S10, S9, A10e, Google Pixel 3, A4 XL, LG V20, OnePlus and many more. If you are not sure which installation method is better for your car, no worries. The 4-in-1 phone mount for car can be flexible placement, dashboard and windshield and air vent and home. All places it works perfectly. Also with low temperatures in winter and heat in summer, you can choose to avoid the issue caused by environmental influences. You can screw the nut to fix the clamp freely. The tighter you screw, the sturdier it will be. Its two small arms are just enough to press against the upper and lower vent blades to form a stable triangular structure and lighten the load on the middle one with no damage to your car. This clip more than 10x sturdier than normal ones. It fits perfectly for your car no matter what the thicker blades, vents or vertical ones. Taurus ensures you with an 36-month pleasant experience and top customer service. Please feel free to let us know if you have any question about this car phone mount in the comment box below. With the car holder for cell phone, you can get a package including one enhanced suction cup, one sticky pad, one strong air vent clip, and one user manual. The sticky pad just can be used once. Please think twice to stick it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day communities.